everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 7 car upgrades for your daily driver. In this video, I'll be going over 7 simple upgrades that you can do to the car that you drive every day, to your daily driver. Now let's get right to it. Car upgrade number 1 is upgraded headlights. Now, I like the idea of upgrading headlights simply because you use them so often and it's a relatively inexpensive upgrade. So with that being said, you can go the route of upgrading just the headlight bulbs, or you can go the route of upgrading the entire headlight system. Now, there are obviously different costs that are associated with each, and there are different upsides associated with each, but I would say do whatever works with your budget and your car goals. But upgrading your headlights is a great option simply because you're going to be using them really often and really frequently. Car upgrade number 2 is upgraded wipers. Now, I did not know about the benefits of getting upgraded wipers or higher level wipers until I actually purchased them. And when you see the difference, especially it's more evident once you've had the wipers on the car for a month, 2 months, 3 months, or if you're using them in the winter time when it's snowing or raining quite often, the difference is absolutely amazing. They do a great job. At least from the ones that I've used, they've done a fantastic job. So I would say upgraded wipers, depending on where you live and how often you have to use your windshield wipers. If you live in a place where there's no rain and you rarely ever have to use them, then maybe you can skip out on this one. But if you're living in a place or driving in a place where there's a lot of rain, a lot of snow, or you use your wipers often, then I would recommend upgrading your windshield wipers. Car upgrade number 3, upgraded brakes. Now, when you think about how often you use your brakes, okay? Upgrading your brakes is a great idea because you use them really often. But also, if you think about how important it is to brake on time, then upgrading your brakes seems to be an even better idea. Now, the coolest thing about upgrading brakes is that if you do it when you're already replacing the part, then you can offset some of that upgrade cost. So for instance, if I was gonna buy brake pads, new brake pads, because I needed new brake pads, right? And just for the sake of argument, let's imagine, I don't know how realistic this figure is, but let's imagine that the new brake pads cost $200, okay? But I could get higher level brake pads for $250. Then the upgrade cost is not $250, it's only $50 because I had to spend the $200 anyways. I'm just paying $50 extra to upgrade them. So if you can upgrade your brakes when you have to replace them anyways, then you can offset some of that cost. Car upgrade number 4 is an upgraded clutch. Now, this is only true, obviously, if you are driving a manual car. But once you've driven a car with a basic clutch compared to an upgraded or higher level clutch, you're gonna know the difference immediately whenever you drive manual and whenever you push a clutch down. So with that being said, you use your clutch all the time. So once again, if you're replacing your clutch anyways, you might as well upgrade it and replace it with sort of a higher level clutch. Okay, number 6 is an ECU tune. Now, an ECU tune is a great upgrade that you can do because it allows you to actually unlock some additional power and you can tune your car to your liking. If you're driving a relatively new vehicle, then your ECU tune can unlock some new power. If you're driving an older vehicle, then a new ECU tune can actually regain some of that lost power. So that's definitely a huge plus in my opinion. And last but not least is number 7, car upgrade number 7, an upgraded steering wheel. Now, I'm assuming that when you're driving, you're holding the steering wheel pretty much all the time. I'm assuming it's all the time, if not almost all the time. So with that being said, if you upgrade your steering wheel, you're gonna get a better feel, a better response, better everything. And there are 2 main options. You can upgrade to a higher level OEM steering wheel, meaning like if there's a steering wheel at a higher level trim level of that car, like leather wrapped steering wheel, maybe heated steering wheel, whatever the case is, then you can do that. All of those extra features are there for you. There for you to use if you upgrade your steering wheel accordingly. But you can also upgrade it with an aftermarket steering wheel. So that means that you can actually get an aftermarket steering wheel that's better than your current steering wheel and upgrade it. And that's going to give you, like I said, a better feel, a better look. You know, you can decide because there are so many options. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 7 car upgrades for your daily driver. These are 7 easy car upgrades. They're also relatively inexpensive that you can do to the car that you drive on a daily basis, okay? They're not your typical modifications like an intake, an exhaust, and that kind of stuff. These are very simple car upgrades that are meant to make your commute a little bit better. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other great car upgrades that you can do or you should do to your daily driver? Let me know as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.